Good night. Regarding the debate between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump, my point of view is that both have their debate strategies, but my opinion is that first, Trump is right because he has always tried to get ahead in the face of conflicts between control of gun that are presented talk about the rifles, their capacity, and I think that Hillary Clinton lies about some things like about a ban of firearms in the Capitol. I totally agree with Trump always to move forward and more about his attitude in the debate is very clear and efficient. I disagree with Hillary Clinton about the position I took forward Heller about mentioning that the people didn't know anything. This is my opinion of the debate between Hillary Clinton or Donald Trump. Thank you very much.